Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a secret game-changing way for small businesses to offer meaningful employee benefits without adding financial strain. The secret is voluntary life and supplemental insurance through American Income Life. Many small business owners feel stuck when it comes to offering benefits. Health insurance is expensive, and traditional group packages can be out of reach. But what if you could give your team access to affordable, portable, payroll-deducted coverage, and it wouldn't cost your business a dime? That's exactly what AIL's voluntary insurance model makes possible. This approach allows employees to opt into life, accident, and supplemental health coverage through simple payroll deductions. Employers don't pay for it, but they get the credit for offering it. Plus, it's portable, meaning if an employee leaves, their policy goes with them. That's a major win for job seekers and a smart retention tool for you as an employer. We'll also touch on employer-sponsored group options for those who want to invest a bit more into their team's well-being. Even minimal contributions can have a huge impact on morale, loyalty, and productivity. Think of this as a strategic edge, not just as another insurance pitch. You're creating an environment where employees feel, valued, protected, and motivated to stay. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to position AIL as a cost-effective benefit, how it helps you attract and retain talent, and how to get started with little to no risk. So let's dive in and explore how AIL can help you build a stronger, smarter, and more loyal team. About us. We're an A&J consulting firm. We assist clients in attaining greater fulfillment by analyzing process and procedures. We work with our clients to identify their goals as we may uncover obstacles that could impact their ability to achieve their goals. Our consultants partner with our clients to develop strategies to help clients overcome challenges in their lives to reach their personal and occupational objectives. This is just us in a nutshell. I'm Alex and Joseph. You can call me Professor Alex, Professor Joseph, Mr. Alex, or Mr. Joseph, whichever makes you feel more comfortable. And I work with businesses like yours to create smart, scalable employee benefit solutions. I am a seasoned business leader and a U.S. military veteran with over 13 years of entrepreneurial and leadership experience. I've demonstrated exceptional skill in business development, strategic planning, and operational excellence, successfully scaling ventures and driving sustainable growth. I've earned dual MBAs in human resource management, along with entrepreneurship from Everglades University here in Boca Raton, Florida. Pairing my deep business acumen with a passion for mentorship and education. My military career is currently spanning over 23 years of service in the United States Army Reserve, active duty Army, and the United States Marine Corps, honing my abilities in leadership, team development, and decision-making under pressure. I'm known for my servant leadership style and clear communication. I'm committed to shaping the next generation of business leaders, blending real-world experience with academic instruction to create inclusive and engaging learning environment. Today, we're discussing how to compete with large companies and attracting and keeping great employees without breaking your budget. A little bit about our partner, American Income Life. Okay, the company was just a little bit about them. Right? They were founded in 1951. American Income Life has grown into a significant provider of supplemental life insurance, particularly focusing on serving working families and union members. The company emphasizes its commitment to labor movements and has established relationships with various labor organizations. Globe Life Incorporated is the parent company and is publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol GL. It encompasses several subsidiaries, including AIL, and offers a broad spectrum of insurance products across the United States, Canada, and New Zealand. We're going to start off with some questions. Okay, so what type of benefits does AIL specializes in providing? A, health insurance only, life, accident, and supplemental health insurance. B, or as you are C, auto and property insurance. Or D, dental and vision insurance. I'll give you a minute to think about that. Now, if you chose the answer for B, you're correct. Life, accident, and supplemental health insurance. Question 2. How many years has AIL been serving families and businesses? Either A, 50 years, B, 60 years, C, over 70 years, or D, over 80 years. Take a moment. So if you chose C, you're correct. It's been over 70 years. So question number 3, AIL is backed by which insurance company? MetLife, Globe Life, Prudential, or New York Life? Take a moment. So if you chose B, you're correct. Globe Life. Question number 4, and the last question for this slide. Approximately how many policies has AIL served? A, over 500,000, over 1 million, over 2 million, or over 5 million? If you chose C, that is correct. Over 2 million policies. So, why volunteer benefits for small businesses? Well, why traditional options don't always work, most small businesses want to take care of their team, but can't afford big company benefit packages. The result? Higher turnover, harder hiring, and employees who don't feel secure. Let's fix that. We're going to use AIL, their volunteer life insurance with flexible, affordable, and with no employer cost. Very important. AIL allows your employees to opt into life insurance and supplemental health benefits, fully volunteer and payroll deducted, so there is no cost to the employer. What is one of the main advantages of offering voluntary benefits to employees? A, requires a high employer contribution. B, replace existing salary structures. C, enhances compensation without added cost. Or D, is only available to large corporations. What is one of the main advantages of offering voluntary benefits to employees? You have either option A, requires a high employer contribution. B, replaces existing salary structure. C, enhances compensation without added cost. Or D, is the only available is only available to large corporations. Give me a second. The answer is C, my friends. Yes, that is right. It enhances compensation without added cost. Next question is true or false question. Employers must contribute financially to provide voluntary benefits. This is a true statement or a false statement. If you chose false, you are correct. You are correct. You do not have to contribute at all. You don't have to. Next question. How are voluntary benefits typically funded? A, through employer subsidies. B, employee payroll deductions. C, government grants. Or D, tax incentives. Take a moment. All right, so if you chose B, you're correct, through employee payroll deductions. The last question for this slide is going to be, which of the following is not a listed advantage of voluntary benefits for employees? A, tax savings. B, enhancing compensation packages. C, recruitment support. Or D, free legal services. So which of the following was not a listed advantage of voluntary benefits for employees? Take one moment and just think about that for a moment. Just wait a minute. All right, I know you know the answer is D, and you are correct. Free legal services is something that is not covered by American Income Life. American Income Life insurance products are life insurance, which covers whole life and term life insurance. Whole life insurance offers lifetime coverage with fixed premiums. These policies accumulate cash value over time, which policyholders can borrow against or use for other financial needs. Term life insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for a specific period of time, often at a lower initial cost than whole life policies. It is designed to offer financial protection during peak earning years. Supplemental health insurance is another product that's provided. So those supplemental health insurances are hospital indemnity, which pays a fixed benefit for each day of hospitalization, helping to cover out-of-pocket expenses not covered by standard health insurance. Then you have the critical illness insurance, which provides a lump sum payment upon diagnosis of covered critical illnesses such as heart attack, stroke, or cancer. Then you have your accident insurance, which offers benefits for accidental injuries, including dismemberment and hospital confinement resulting from accidents. The third product is a special risk division. So AIL Special Risk Division provides coverage for children and organizations during sponsored group events, aiming to reduce the risk of unpaid medical bills due to unexpected incidents. Then we also have our no-cost products. The last, AIL offers several no-cost products, including Legacy Will Kit, which assists individuals in creating a basic will to help protect their family's future. Then we also have the Head Start program, allows parents or guardians to secure life insurance coverage for their children, ensuring future insurability regardless of health changes. Now, this also applies for grandparents and also uncles and aunties. So they can also get the Head Start program for their family members. Now, there's going to be some nuances behind that. You talk to one of us and we'll be able to explain that even further for you, right? So Globe Life Insurance Products, as the parent company, Globe Life offers a range of insurance products through its subsidiaries, such as the final expense insurance. It's aimed at covering funeral and burial costs, easing the financial burden on loved ones. And you have the accidental death insurance. It provides benefits in the event of death due to an incident. Then we also have mortgage protection insurance. That helps pay off or reduce the mortgage balance if the insured passes away. This goes ahead and ensure the family can remain in their home. Very important, right? Very important. So, of course, we have questions. First one is, which of these is part of the insurance products offered by AIL? Is it pet insurance, hospital indemnity, auto liability, or dental implants? Which of these is part of the insurance products offered by AIL? Take a second. If you said B, my friend, you are correct. B is the right answer, which is hospital indemnity. Yes, hospital indemnity. Question, what unique program does AIL offer to help build generational wealth? We have 1A, which is college loan forgiveness. B, income tax rebate plan. C, child head start program. Or D, family savings account. Think about that for a minute. Okay, so if you chose C, you are correct. It is the Head Start program. Final question for this slide. It's a true or false question. AIL offers both term and whole life insurance options. This is a true or false statement. Take a second. It won't take you long to know this one. So yes, if you said true, my friend, you are 100% correct. Those are the two that are offered, whole life and term life. Beautiful. Y'all doing a great job. Now, how do we get started? How does it all work, right? So we integrate with your payroll system so employees can enroll and have premiums deducted automatically. Policies are portable, which means they follow the employee even if they leave your business. So what we're going to do, we're going to educate your team and evaluate your business. We help as you're and elevate your business as you were. So what we're going to do is going to educate your team and elevate your business just by providing this service. We help you communicate the value. We can provide a free lunch and learn, virtual webinars, and employee sessions to explain the benefits. We help make your team feel cared for and informed about their coverage options. And as you know, we're going to have more questions. First question is going to be, what is the first step in our implementation process for your business? Enrollment session, customized recommendation, discovery call with business owner, or claims support. So again, what is the first step in our implementation process for your business? Give it a second. Okay, so if you said C, you are correct. We have to do a discovery call, right? We have to do a discovery call with the business owner. Now, how many steps are there in our implementation process? Either it's going to be A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 6. Think of that for a moment. So if the answer is B, you are correct. It's only 4 steps. 4 steps. Super simple. We can do it like that. So now, with our final question for this slide, what step follows the employee information sessions in our implementation process? Again, what step follows the employee information sessions in the implementation process. It's going to be either A, claims processing, B, ongoing service and claim support, C, benefit reevaluation, or D, compliance review. Take a moment to think about it. So if you said B, you're correct. Really that simple, right? So ongoing service and claim support. That's the next step. Now, so the main important thing is why offer voluntary insurance. Well, these are the following reasons why. Some of the reasons. Okay. We call this the benefits without the burden strategy. You can improve your recruitment and retention with zero financial obligation, zero. So employees appreciate the financial protection and the employers get the credit for offering meaningful benefits. Want to offer more? Not easy, not hard at all. We'll go group. We'll do the whole group plan, right? Which is gonna give you low cost employer paid options. Now, if you're open to contributing a small amount, AIL offers group term life and supplemental accident and health plans. These can be customized by role or tenure and may qualify for tax deductions. As always, we have questions, 3 questions this time. So first one, what is the reported employee satisfaction rate for benefits added by AIL? It's either going to be, oh, as you were jumping the gun, almost told you, it's either going to be 85%, 90%, 92%, or 95%. Again, I'm going to give you a little bit of time. You probably already seen the answer. I snuck it in there for you, but think about that. Okay, so if you went ahead and said C, 92%, then that's what it is. I gave you a little sneak peek. This next one is not going to be a sneak peek. Okay, so how quickly is the average family protected after enrollment? Think about that one. How quickly is it going to be within 1 hour, 30 minutes, within a day, within a week? Which one do you think? Well, if you went ahead and said B, my friend, you're batting 1,000, you're correct. Within 30 minutes, really quick. Next question. Which of the following is an example of AIL's impact on families? A, mortgage refinancing support, travel discounts, funeral support, or legal aid. Take a moment. If you said C, you are correct. You are so correct. So yes, C is the answer. We do not, or as you were, funeral support is what we offer. That's the impact for family, right? So which of like I said, which is the following is an example of AIL's impact on families? It's going to be the funeral support. With that being said, my friends, do we have any questions? Questions, anybody questions? Well, don't worry. If you do have questions, you can always send it to us via our app, via email, whichever one needs to be done. All right. So let's go ahead and build a stronger team with smarter benefits. You do not need a Fortune 500 budget to offer Fortune 500 level care. Don't need it. AIL gives you a smart, cost-effective edge to attract and retain top talent without changing your bottom line. Let's talk about how to get you started. So what's the next step we do? Please partner up. Give us a call. Scan the QR code. Take that first step. All right, take that first step. We can start with a 3 to 6 month voluntary trial. No cost to you. You get to test it out, see the response, and decide what works best. It's a no risk way to add major value for your employees. With that being said, thank you very much. Again, my name is Professor Alex N. Joseph. My phone number, office number is 954-574-2242. Email support@anjconsultingfirm.us. You send an email there, my team will go ahead and get that. Also, our website is anjconsultingfirm.us. So if you need to reach us, there's our website. Scan the QR code, take a moment. I'm going to leave it up for a few moments here, but go ahead and scan this QR code so that way you can get in contact with us even faster than doing all this other stuff. Okay, what's going to happen is you're going to, if I remember correctly, this is going to be to our app, which is going to give you direct access to our team and get things rolling a little bit faster. All right, set an appointment. Let's come down and, let's see how we can get started with you. Let's see if we can get your team on board so that way they can take full benefit of AIL products and services. Okay. So again, my name is Alice with A&J Consulting Firm, partnered with American Income Life / Gold Life. Thank you very much. Have a great one.